Hey Techno Studs, and when I say studs, I mean both students, and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. You know, there are some things that can really contribute to your success while managing Cisco equipment. And so in this module, we're going to be covering how to navigate the Cisco IOS. We'll be covering things like how to get in and out of different modes. We'll be covering how to find help and also some shortcuts in managing these devices. And although there's not a lot of CCNA test questions that come from this module, understanding these concepts can really help you efficiently study as well as work with the equipment when you get out there in the field working in your career. When you enter commands into a Cisco device, you have to be in certain modes to enter certain commands. And so we're going to talk about getting into different modes and how to get in and out of those modes. So that's the first thing that we're going to cover. Then we're going to get into how to get help. There are some real tricks that you can get if you're not sure which commands to use that can help you efficiently find help from the Cisco IOS. Then we'll get into show commands. Show commands is a huge part of understanding what's happening on your devices. So we'll talk about show commands, and we'll also get into how to filter those show commands to find the information that you're looking for. Then we'll get into the command history, some easy ways to call up what history you have so that way you can easily recall certain commands and enter them in again and reuse them. And so we'll talk about command history. And then we'll wrap things up with some shortcuts on working with the Cisco IOS.